Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to activate quiet mode on your phone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily activate quiet mode on your phone. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if you do happen to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you open your App Store or your Play Store, then you make sure your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Instagram application to the latest version, just open your Instagram, and once you open your Instagram, just click on your profile. Now at the upper right corner you can see settings and privacy. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see, once you open your profile, you can see the three lines over here. Just click on the three lines over here. That's your three lines, and you can see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and you can see notifications. Once you click on notifications, you can see quiet mode. Just turn on this quiet mode over here, and you can see the period over here turn on automatically. You can see you can select the period, and this is so amazing. You can also pause all notifications, and this is, you can just turn this button on and then pause all notifications. This is so amazing. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video